What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to get into some of the top tier black owned wash day products that I have in my collection. Recently when I started the transition of cutting off my hair and all that, my stylist was like, do you use a moisturizing conditioner, shampoo, washer? I'm like, come to think of it, I really have not. As long as I've been natural, I just kind of use whatever. And my scalp is super duper dry, all the time. And so my stylist suggested that I look into some products in the between times when she's doing my hair and I'm doing my hair to kind of help with the maintenance of my scalp. So I looked into obviously black owned products. We already know this are not new. This is not just a wave to ride. This is important. This is necessary. So as many black owned businesses that I can support, I will support, and that's that. So yeah, getting into these products, I recently purchased these maybe 2 months ago. So I've been using them quite a while now, so I can vouch for them. They have been doing wonders for my hair. My hair is extremely moisturized all the time, and my scalp as well. So I'm just excited to share these products with you. So basically with your wash day, you want to have a good shampoo, you want to have a good conditioner. Most naturals like to use a mask or a leave-in, and an oil. So those are basically the things you will need when you're doing a wash day. And then a lot of people use what I just learned is called the lock method. So the lock method is your leave-in, your oil, and then your cream. Those are the things that I have with me, and those are the things that I've been using faithfully since I have not been to my stylist in a little minute. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. Now I know I'm late on this, so don't come for me. And I'm mad that I'm late on it because Natural85 has been one of my favorite YouTubers, natural hair YouTubers, since I even started going natural way back in 2011. When I first started going natural, it was KandeeLovesYa and Natural85. That's what inspired me to continue on my journey. So yeah, I should have been had this. But it's really amazing. It's really amazing. It smells good. It has a minty type quality to it that just is soothing to the scalp. It really does get a good clean. I usually only have to use this once when I wash, because sometimes people will do 2 washes. Unless I know I've had a lot of product, I'll do 2 washes, but you could easily get away with 1 wash with this product. And it has tea tree, soothing turmeric, and black cumin seed. So I really love this. It smells so amazing. And then it has a little nozzle applicator. Now I'd be struggling with this in the shower. I'd be squeezing it and it'd be taking forever for it to come out. That's probably a good thing, but it's also kind of annoying at the same time. But it is what it is. It's still a great product. Now this is a lot of product. So this will probably last me a full year, honestly, because they give you a lot of product in this bottle. It's 16 fluid ounces, 16.1 fluid ounces. So you're gonna get a lot of bang for your buck with this, because literally, like I said, I've used this for 2-3 months now, and only this much is gone, and I have this much left. Come on, somebody. Worth the money. So in addition to that, I also picked up the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. This has nourishing baobab oil, turnip root, and provitamin B5. So I love this as well. This also has that minty smell to it. It's it's sweet and minty, and it makes your hair, your scalp feel really soothed. I've only ever left it in my hair, maybe twice. I've left it in as a leave-in, and then one other time I washed it out. Yeah, I really like this. It's The one thing I could say about these products, they really do, one, enhance your curl pattern, and then two, they also do help with detangling. I have super thick 4C hair. Now some spots of my hair are 4B, 4A, but for the most part, you're gonna get a 4C. And this does a great job with breaking down the hair so that when it's time to detangle, it's not a nightmare, because baby, my hair is thick. So this does a really good job of helping me detangle. And anyone knows that when you're detangling your hair, you should do it when it's saturated and obviously has a saturating product or like a conditioning product in your hair while you detangle. But even if I don't have this in my hair, after I rinse it out, I can still detangle my hair, and that's beautiful. So also this is also a large bottle. This is also 16.1 fluid ounces. You get a lot of product, a lot of bang for your buck. This will also probably last me throughout the year. And like during the winter months, I maybe wash my hair like once or twice a month, because one, is cold, two, there's no need for me to overdo it, and three, yeah, because that's what I want to do. And like I said, I've used this much within 2 months and I have this much left. So yeah. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the BrioGio Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. Now, like I said, I wasn't into mask prior. During my wash days, I would literally just shampoo, condition, add a little oil, keep it moving, or whatever I was going to do with my hair, that was it. I didn't really get into the whole mask thing, and I didn't want to be bothered with it. But obviously this honestly makes a big difference. Not only does it smell amazing, it helps with the detangling so much. It makes my hair super soft, like, oh my God. My hair goes from Brillo pad to like fluffy, light sponge with this. And typically what I do is like, I will go in with my shampoo, and then I would apply this, and then I would just leave it on my head while I'm in the shower, obviously, and wash all my other parts, and then I come back to my mask, and then I'll take it out. So that usually leaves it in my hair for about 5 to 6 minutes, which is good, and then it allows the product to soak in and really do something. And it's also moisturizing. That's a big key factor to the whole wash day products that I have. Everything is moisturizing. Everything that I use does not leave my hair feeling stripped or dry or matted or just a hot mess. That's what I really appreciate about all these products. So yeah, it's a mask, and you like I said, once you wash your hair and condition, well, after I wash my hair, I add my mask first. So I do my shampoo, then I do my mask, and it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. But yeah, then I do my mask. And then after I do my mask, that's when I go on my conditioner. So those are the top 3 so far in my wash day routine. And like I said, as far as the sequence goes, it's my shampoo, mask, then my conditioner. And then after that, I'm pretty much done in the shower. Those are all my in-shower products. And of course, you want to use bring a wide tooth comb with you so you can detangle. So after I finish up in the shower with those 3 products, the next thing I like to do is use an oil. And I've been using the Arielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil infused with biotin. And so I instantly start to drop some of this on my scalp as soon as I get out of the shower, and I just massage it in, and it has like a tingling feeling to it. So it's like all through your hair. Feels really good. And I've been using this for a little minute, actually. I've been using it over the summer, like on my edges and stuff like that. And I just like it. This is like my 2nd bottle, so it's really, really good. It's very nourishing. It feels amazing on the scalp. And then the next thing that I use is my cream. And I've been using the Main Choice Alpha Daily Hair Dressing, and it's like a butter more than a cream, which I really like because sometimes I feel like the cream could just be too oily, and you just really want something that's gonna just moisturize your hair, like almost like yeah, like a butter, almost like shea butter. That's what I could equate it to. You just run that through your hair, and then that moisturizes my hair like for a very long time. So matter of fact, last wash day, I just twisted up my hair only using this. I didn't use like a styler product, and like my hair was moisturized for like a week and a half. So those are the top 5 top tier Black owned wash day products that I have been using. They have yielded tremendous results. Like I said, my hair is super moisturized now. It's not dry at all. I'm still working on my scalp because that needs more attention, more maintenance. And a lot of it is from diet and, you know, drinking more water and actually taking the time to grease my scalp. But overall, these products have enhanced my wash day experience and has really made my hair flourish and be super moisturized. So I hope you guys enjoyed this talk through video, this haul of a few of the products. I did some research on Kaice's YouTube channel. If you don't follow her, I'll leave the link below. You can check out her channel. But yeah, she put me onto a lot of these products. I already knew about Natural 85's products, but I did not know about BrioGio, and I did not know about this particular product. So I learned about them on her channel, and they're worth the money. They're definitely do what they say they would do. So that YouTuber, and as it relates to product review, is not just hyping it up because she's hyping it up. No, it's a really good product. So you should check out all these products, and I hope this helps you guys. So without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want details on this makeup, be sure to check the links below as well for this hair. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.